In today's video, let's talk about how to track applicants on WellFound, or previously known as AngelList Talent. If you've posted a job inside of WellFound and you're now trying to track the applications, what you need to do is just head over to the application section. And if you have posted a job already, and you'll see all of the information of the applicants and the exact information that you need. You can also use the message section to check if message requests have been sent in terms of the job that you posted. But the main section is, however, the applicants, where you'll be able to see all of the people that have applied, and you'll be able to check their profiles as well as their application history right inside of WellFound. So that was a short tutorial video on the way that you track application inside of AngelList Talent or WellFound. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.